How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, let's talk about the best raw Excel settings for Valorant 3200 DPI. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to edit is the sense multiplier. Basically, you want to use something like 0.25. This effectively will convert our 3200 DPI into something like 800 DPI, which works best for Valorant, or other competitive shooters. For the acceleration type, you want to choose something like natural or linear. In our case, let's go ahead and select linear. For the acceleration, which is going to be this one, you could start with the default one, which is 0.05, and you can adjust based on how quickly you want your sensitivity to ramp up. So for example, if you want something even faster, maybe you could use something like 0.8, click on apply, and you will be able to feel the difference between the default one and the adjusted one right here. For the next one, which is going to be the cap output or limit, which is going to be this one, you want to choose something like 1.5 to 2. This prevents our sensitivity from becoming uncontrollably fast during high speed flicks. And lastly, for the input offset, you want to use something like 10 to 15. Basically, with this one, it creates a buffer where the acceleration doesn't kick in until you move your mouse past a certain speed, keeping our micro aim consistent. So from here, just click on the apply button and you should be good to go. You will be able to see this ramp right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.